We have gathered reviews from all over the internet, and this is what users say about the QANYI Cute Nightlight Toast Bread LED night lamp. If you own this item, please leave your review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. The link to the product is in the description using it supports the channel. The QANYI Cute Nightlight Toast Bread. LED night lamp stands out in a crowded market of nightlights and bedside lamps, not only for its whimsical toast-inspired design, but also for its thoughtful blend of functionality and charm. This product, offered by the QANYI store, is marketed as an ideal gift for tweens, teenagers, and anyone who appreciates playful yet practical decor. It is designed to serve as a nightlight, mobile phone stand, and decorative piece, making it a versatile addition to bedrooms, dorms, and workspaces. The lamp features high-quality LED energy-saving lamp beads and allows users to switch between single-sided and double-sided illumination. This feature is particularly appreciated by those who want the flexibility to adjust the lighting to their mood or activity. The lamp emits a warm 4000 K color temperature, which is gentle on the eyes and creates a cozy atmosphere without being harsh or glaring. Many reviewers highlight how the warm light is comfortable for reading, relaxing, or winding down before bed, and it's especially suitable for children or anyone sensitive to bright lights. One of the most notable aspects of the QANYI Toast Nightlight is its dual functionality as a mobile phone stand. The lamp is equipped with soft, skin-friendly silicone feet that not only contribute to its cute appearance, but also serve as a stable holder for smartphones and small tablets. Users consistently praise this feature, noting that it is both practical and surprisingly sturdy. The ability to prop up a device while enjoying ambient lighting makes it a popular choice for students, bedside readers, and anyone who likes to watch videos or browse the internet before sleep. The lamp is powered by a 1200 mAh rechargeable lithium-ion battery, which offers impressive longevity. According to the manufacturer, a full charge takes about 3 hours and provides up to 9.6 hours of continuous lighting at high brightness, or up to 50 hours at low brightness. Users confirm that the battery life is reliable and that the lamp is easy to recharge using any standard USB adapter or device. This portability is a significant advantage as it allows the lamp to be used in various settings from bedrooms and dorms to offices, and even during travel. In terms of usability, the QANYI Toast Nightlight is designed with convenience in mind. It features a touch control system that allows users to turn the lamp on or off with a simple tap. There is also an auto-off mode, which includes a 15-minute countdown timer, making it ideal for those who like to fall asleep with a gentle light that turns off automatically. The lamp also remembers the last brightness setting used, which is a thoughtful touch for those who prefer consistency in their nighttime routine. The adjustable brightness and the ability to select which side of the lamp is illuminated are frequently cited as standout features, giving users a high degree of control over their lighting environment. The lamp's build quality is generally regarded as good, with most users finding it sturdy and well-made. The base is constructed from polished silicone, while the shade is made from acrylonitrile butadiene-styrene, a durable plastic. The lamp is lightweight, weighing only 8 ounces, and its compact dimensions make it easy to place on small nightstands, desks, or shelves. The cordless design adds to its versatility, allowing it to be moved around without the hassle of power cords. Aesthetically, the QANYI Toast Nightlight is described as super cute and endearing. Its playful toast design, complete with little legs and a smiling face, appeals to both children and adults. Many reviewers mention that it makes a delightful gift, especially for those who enjoy quirky or kawaii-themed decor. It is often given as a Christmas or birthday present, and recipients are typically delighted by its charm and functionality. However, some users note a few drawbacks. While the lamp is generally sturdy, the arms and legs can be somewhat fragile, particularly if handled roughly by young children. There are reports of the arms snapping off when subjected to force, so it may not be the best choice for very young kids who are prone to pulling or dropping items. Despite this, most users report that the lamp holds up well under normal use and that its overall quality is satisfactory. The lamp's brightness is another point of discussion. While the warm light is appreciated for its softness, it may not be bright enough to serve as the primary light source in a larger room. It is best suited for use as a nightlight, reading lamp, or accent light rather than as the main source of illumination. That said, the adjustable brightness and dual-sided lighting options provide enough flexibility for most nighttime needs. The QANYI Toast Nightlight is also praised for its value. Many users feel that it offers a lot of features for its price, including rechargeable functionality, adjustable lighting, and the added bonus of a phone stand. Its long battery life and durable construction contribute to its reputation as a good investment for those seeking a cute and practical lighting solution. In terms of technical specifications, the lamp measures approximately 4.3 inches in depth, 4.5 inches in width, and 1.5 inches in height. It is rated at 3 watts and produces up to 100 lumens of brightness. The lamp is designed for indoor use and is water resistant, adding an extra layer of durability. It comes with a lithium-ion battery included and is compatible with standard USB charging. The lamp is freestanding and can be placed on any flat surface without the need for installation. The product has received overwhelmingly positive feedback with an average rating of 4.7 out of 5 stars based on over 3,000 customer reviews. It ranks highly in the nightlights category and is recognized as a bestseller in its segment. Users consistently mention its cute design, ease of use, and practical features as reasons for their satisfaction. The lamp's ability to serve multiple purposes, nightlight, phone stand, decor, makes it a favorite among those who appreciate multifunctional gadgets. In summary, the QANYI Cute Nightlight Toast Bread LED night lamp is a standout product that combines adorable design with practical features. Its warm, adjustable lighting, rechargeable battery, and dual functionality as a phone stand make it a versatile addition to any bedroom, dorm, or workspace. While it may not be suitable for very young children due to the potential fragility of its arms and legs, it is otherwise well constructed and durable. The lamp's portability and ease of use are major selling points, and its value for money is frequently highlighted by satisfied customers. If you are looking for a unique and functional nightlight that adds a touch of whimsy to your space, the QANYI Toast Nightlight is an excellent choice. Remember, if you own this lamp, please consider leaving your own review in the comments to help others. The link to the product is in the description, and using it supports the channel.